Oh boy, I just finished up my longest run for this training season. It was a 12 miler, and I feel really good. My legs were sore. Not really sore, I shouldn't say sore. They were stiff going into the run. Yesterday was a long travel day for me. I went out of town visiting family, and it was a long drive. It was a 8+ hour drive in the car, so I was stiff, and I could feel that stiffness when I started my run today. I did not do any stretching yesterday after all the driving. To be honest, I did not. But got my 12 miles in. I still did my training runs, even though I was out of town last week. 3 miles Tuesday and Thursday. And actually, I think I did an extra mile. I think I did Monday. I did run a mile on an easy. I did a light, easy run, a mile on Monday as well. I did that Monday morning, but that was a usual here lately for me. I did do strength training. That was a little different as well. Because I was out of town and not at my normal gym that I work out at. I did some calisthenics, and that caused some newfound soreness because I was doing the exercises a little bit differently. So I did feel that all this past week as well. It wasn't a lot of soreness, it was just a little bit, but I did feel it. So I did keep up with strength training. Also, I think I did, my eating was different as well, to be honest. I did not count my calories per se. I did a lot of guesstimating. But I did drink my protein shakes that I usually drink. So I just ballparking it in my mind. I think my calories were up where they usually were, but I can't say for sure, to be honest. So all of those things may have played into my workout performance today, but I feel pretty good with my run that I did today. So I think it was a little over two hours and like 20 something minutes or something, I think what my watch said. No, my watch says 2 hours 28 minutes 19 seconds, like 12 minute mile per se. So I feel pretty good about that. So I did notice that my resting heart rate was up as well, because I run by heart rate. So I noticed that before I began running, I noticed that my resting heart rate averages was pretty high up there. It was around, like, I think it said 56, 57. That's really high. My normal resting heart rate is usually around like 52. So that could have been from just the stress of traveling, which would definitely play into that. I noticed that my heart rate was higher than normal on my running. So all that to say, a lot of things play into the workout of the day, and especially the long run. But I will end the video here because I don't like my videos to be too long. And yeah, I think that's it. So maybe 12 miles today. I don't know, maybe 18 miles for the week total. And that's it. Until next week. I guess I'll see ya maybe I'll see you out in these fitness streets. Until next time.